My name is Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert aka Bobby Wine. And I am here to ask for your support and for your votes so that I become the next president of Uganda. And not only for my vote, not only for my position, but I'm asking you to vote for my brother Julius Ocheng and all the leaders who think like him. They have a symbol. That symbol is an umbrella.
Julius umbrella. Candidates are neo Kapelebiong and Natari Teso Kere.
You notice that we have taken a very long time to reach here. We have taken a very long time to reach here. This is because the police and the military have been blocking roads and trying to make it impossible for us to reach you and talk to you. But now that we are here, let me tell you this. They are blocking this message from reaching you because they know once you open your eyes, it will be over for them. Now when I look here, I see mainly young people, mainly youthful people. More than 99% of the people here have never seen any leader apart from Museveni. It has been 40 years. 40 years. It has been 40 years of pain, 40 years of dictatorship, 40 years of gun rule. But after ruling us for 40 years, I want you to take a look at the road that comes to Kapelebiong. Look at the schools where our children go for education. Look at the hospitals and health centers where our people go for treatment. Look at how many young people here that are able to work but have no employment. Look at how much land that has been grabbed by the powerful and the mighty. I could go on and on and on about your problems. But because we don't have time, let me just talk about the solution. The solution is you. The solution is in your hands. On the 15th of January, we have an opportunity to change this. We have a choice, we have an opportunity to choose between an old Uganda and a new Uganda. We have a choice to choose between gun rule and servant leadership. We have an opportunity to choose whether we put an end to the 40-year dictatorship or we let it continue to 50 years. So today we have come to you
lolo buniti ne jase sa konye ne kustunga lo kapelebio
to tell you that they are going to bring a yellow t-shirt, they are going to bring 50,000, 20,000, 10,000 or even 5,000 to ask you to vote for Museveni, and then you suffer for the next 5 years.
epote kopa nado iswama sida ikoro t-shirt silwa yellow isirigina kaisa kanya ni jase esu tete konye yeso mukoro uketa salaki ni mukora urasare tebo kike de pugalo magala lalo itapasi to parasha kere.
Now the choice is in your hands.
For
For us, we are only leading the church and we are presenting ourselves to you for your support and for your endorsement. I know many of you have been intimidated. That's why some of them are even listening to us from afar.
Yes, we put down a Tukuria Nido, so much in your excellency. People have been intimidated here a lot. It's not Tukuriano, is Sana Kere.
But I'm telling you that these police officers and the soldiers, they are here, camped here because we are campaigning here. After I leave, they are going to follow me to Amuria, they will follow me to Soroti and everywhere. And you are going to stay here and you're going to be in charge of this place.
The police in Kedisirikara retake Seja in a runway campaign, Kwananga Takanga Nyong, and Lose Guapanga Luta Muriamori Kona Kere, Koni Salakidete Sune or Salakisi, Ido Ikamasa, Boys Doronos in charge. Papi to Alo Uganda, Pele or Kitaine.
So I want to ask you to do us just one favor. I want you to become the Bobby Wine of Kaperebiong.
Around Bobby Wine lo Kaperebiong esu kerea putori ngezo to masom sine atiti angiriki chan pako na liberating akwapo.
I want you to become the Ochen Julius of your home, of your village, of your border stage, even when he's not there.
I got to boesa lipes around Julius Ochen, edio kona kere, bodabodo sokoni o kanisa, edio agori kere, teteri pedorona pikora kron.
This is the only way we are going to win these people, if we, the citizens, take the responsibility in our own hands and do it.
Eponelo boni pedorona iteleka rekeda liberating aquapok arai pedona ikamara pedorosa kanin walk ageta itosoma no itonyuna ai tuara itungalwa muna se pugaela aquapok.
We have 28 days to the election day. In those 28 days, I want you to talk to at least one